Namaste everyone. Thank you for joining. My name is Abhishek Pandey and you are watching me on Dhyanast Yoga. Today we are going to do 15 minutes gentle yoga stretch. You can follow it if you are beginner, advanced or intermediate practitioner. This is good for your complete spinal cord mobility and your hip joint, and it will help you to also strengthen your shoulders. So let's begin. Drop your both the hands on your knees, shoulders relaxed, neck in the center, eyes gently closed, and 3 times deep inhale and long exhale. Deep inhale and long exhale. Last time, deep inhale and long exhale. We'll start with 1 time of Om chanting. Take a deep breath and Om chant with me. Gently open your eyes. Let's begin with the shoulder rotation. Drop your fingertips just above your shoulders, touch your elbow with each other and rotate your shoulders from the upward direction. Keep going. Try to increase the range of motion every single time. Normal breathing, touch your elbow in front of your body and come in the center. Now towards the opposite side. Go for it very gently. Rotate it anti-clockwise. Keep going slowly and gently. Go for the last time and drop your hands down. Now go for the neck movement. Very gently drop your both the hands on your knees. Inhale, lift your chin up and exhale, drop your chin down. Inhale, lift your chin up and exhale, drop your chin down. Last time, inhale, lift your chin up and exhale, drop your chin down. Come in the center. Bend your neck towards the left side and right side. Inhale, come in the center. Exhale, bend your neck towards the left side. Come in the center towards the right. Come in the center towards the left. Come in the center towards the right. Now come in the center very gently. Drop your chin towards the forward side and roll your neck 2 times clockwise. Slowly and gently. And 2 times anti-clockwise. Now come in the center, open your eyes and come in the cat pose. Drop your both the palm just under your shoulders. Drop your both the knees on the mat. Toes will be flat. Your wrist will be just under your shoulders, so align your body completely. And from here, inhale, look up and arch your back. And exhale, look down and hunch your back. Inhale, look up and arch your back. Exhale, look down and hunch your back. Inhale, look up and arch your back. Exhale, look down and hunch your back. Inhale, last time, look up and arch your back. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale, look down and hunch your back. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come in the center. Now we'll go for the Vyagrasana. Inhale, look up and lift up your left feet up, and exhale, look down, try to touch your head with the knees. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last time. Inhale, hold it, look up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Look down, touch your head with the knees and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees down, change the feet. Inhale, look up and arch your back. Exhale, look down and hunch your back. Inhale, look up and arch your back. Exhale, look down and hunch your back. Look up, arch your back. Lift your feet up. Exhale, try to touch your head with the knees. Lift your feet up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last time. Inhale, lift your feet up, look up, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Look down, hunch your back and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Drop your knees down very gently. Gap between you both the knees, toes will be flat. Go back in Sasankasana and relax yourself. Normal breathing. Now slowly come up. We will do the hip mobility. From here, come in the center, lift up your only left knee up and try to rotate your left knee clockwise. So go for it very gently and keep going. 4, 5, 6. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come in the center. Change the feet. From here, lift up your right feet and start rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come in the center again. Gap between both the knees. Go back and relax yourself. Normal breathing, inhalation and exhalation. 5 more seconds. Relax there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come in the center very gently. Normal breathing. Come on your knees. Be very gentle. Drop your left hand in the center, just under your left shoulder, and cross your right hand under your left wrist. Try to drop your shoulders down and inhale, lift up your arms up. Exhale, go down. Try to drop your shoulders and inhale, lift up your arms up. Go for the third time. Drop your shoulders and inhale, lift up your arms up. Twist your spine. Last 2 times. Drop your shoulders. Exhale and inhale, lift up your arms up, both the shoulders in the one line, twist your spine. Go for the last time. Drop your shoulders, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up your arms up very gently. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your hands down. Right hands down. We'll do the same thing from the left side. So lift up your left hand. Place your right palm just under your right shoulders. And cross your left hand. Try to drop your shoulders down. And inhale. Lift up your arms up. Exhale. Drop your shoulders very gently. And inhale. Lift up your arms up. Exhale. Drop your shoulders very gently. And inhale. Lift up your arms up. Last 2 times. Drop your shoulders down very gently on the floor. Inhale. Lift up your arms up. Go for the last time. Drop your shoulders and hold it here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift up your arms up and hold it. 5, 4, look towards your thumb. 3, 2, and 1. Drop your hands down slowly. Go back in the child pose and relax yourself. Inhalation and exhalation very gently. Normal breathing. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we will go for the Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Inhale, slide your body forward very gently. Drop your chest down and lift up your upper body. Roll your shoulders back. Look up. Elbow slightly bend. Lengthen your spine. Breathe in. Exhale. Bend your knees and go back in the child pose. Again, inhale. Come forward. Slowly drop your chest down, knees down, and inhale. Lift up your upper body upside. Lengthen your spine and hold it. Exhale. Go back slowly in Sasankasana with the exhalation. Inhale, slide your body forward again. Come forward slowly. Lift up your upper body. Elbow will be just beside your body. Roll your shoulders, lengthen your spine. Hold it. And exhale. Go back slowly and relax yourself. Prepare yourself for the last time. Inhale. Slide your body forward. Come forward. Lift up your upper body. Elbow slightly bend. Roll your shoulders back. Look up. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Go back in Sasankasana and relax yourself. Drop your head down. Normal breathing. Relax yourself for just 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. Come up in the sitting posture. Normal breathing. Inhale and exhale. Check your breath. Eyes gently closed. And now straight your feet. Come in the cross-leg position, or you can sit in the half lotus or lotus posture. Whatever feels comfortable for you. Very gently drop both the hands on your knees. Spine lengthen, shoulders relax. Observe your each and every single moment which we did in just last 15 minutes. We'll started with the shoulder rotation, neck movement, cat and camel, Vyagrasana, hip rotation, and then slightly we'll move in the Cobra pose and Sasankasana. So we perform just lovely sequence. We involved each and every single part of our body. Feel the rhythm of the energy in your body. Take a deep breath in and complete exhale. If your mind is wandering, bring it back to your breath. Observe your entire body. Inhale and exhale. Now take a deep breath and one time Om chant louder and longer. Observe the vibration. Gentle smile on your face. Gently rub your both the palm in front of your chest. Make cup shape placed on your eyes. Gently open your eyes and look at your palm with that smiling face. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed this sequence. You just mobilize your hip, spinal cord, your shoulders, and you work on your each and every single muscle in your body. Have a great day. See you. Thank you so much.